On the Iconic .Connect, the news show this week, among many other things, what the heck is going on with this Pelosi attack story? Talk about questions. Then the US government has been exposed for colluding with big tech to censor illegally, against the Constitution, what Americans can see and hear. And on the same subject, YouTube is now allowing the World Health Organization to dictate what can be shown, seen and heard on YouTube about health and its pandemics. My reaction to that was, so what's new? And then a scientist has agreed that it does look like humans have a bioenergy field, or aura. Really? He's only a few thousand years too late. Bless him. That's the .Connect, the news show on Iconic from 10 a.m. every Saturday UK, and you can take out a 7-day free trial whenever you like.